Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وتمت كلمة ربك صدقا وعدلا لا مبدل لكلماته وهو السميع العليم. Translation: And perfect are the words of your Rabb in truth and justice. Nothing can change his words and laws, and he is all hearing, all knowing. In the previous ayahs, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the devils in the jinn kind and mankind who put the waswasa and who put the bad thoughts in the hearts of the people, and these inspired and instigated thoughts with false alluring speech is harmful for the people who do not believe in the hereafter, who do not have a true pure heart, and who themselves are strayed. And the one who has a pure heart, and these thoughts are not likely to work for those people who are believers. And for the believers, they should follow Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this is the greatest gift for the believers and the whole mankind, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent his book and preserved his book, and has sent the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has explained the book and lived his life according to the book. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's words are perfect. They are perfect in the truth and in the justice, and nobody can dare to change the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And those who are following the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, those who are following the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, are not going to get strayed if they have pure heart and their hearts is not crooked. And in the end of the ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a Sami, meaning that he is all hearing. He hears the whispers that are put in the hearts of these susceptible people by the devils from the jinn kind and mankind. And he is Al-Alim, and he knows exactly how these thoughts are handled by the people who are susceptible of getting misguided, and how they act on these thoughts and these waswasa. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala connect us with the believers, with the truthful people, with the pious people and righteous people, and save us from all the shayateen and devils of jinn kinds and mankinds. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.